AGL Yacht Sales. This is Captain Brandon. We're cruising Helios 2001 Sea Ray Sundancer 340. Right now we're rocking around at 24 knots at about 4,000 RPM. It cruises comfortably at, let's see what we're getting to right now. About 4,500. You're comfortably at about 27, 28 knots. Fast.
There comes a time in life when we give up on the fast sports cars and choose something a little bit more practical or comfortable. An SUV or a station wagon. Hey, life is a series of compromises, no? But that's not always true on the water, at least not necessarily. This Sea Ray 340 Sundancer, Helios, has the pure DNA of an express cruiser with top-end performance, cruising efficiency, pleasing lines and massive interior volume with a spacious salon, fully equipped galley, and 2 very comfortable cabins. It even has a covered cockpit. Basically, it has it all. Becoming such an iconic boat isn't just a question of image, style, and innovation. It is all these things and much more. In fact, this Sea Ray 340 Sundancer has so many unique features that it was already a groundbreaking yacht when it was still in the design stages. They say the devil is in the details, and that is certainly true of the 340 Sundancer, with her wide bow, electric windlass, a stainless spotlight, and plow-style anchor for style and functionality. Not forgetting the spacious aft deck with comfortable seating for 8 adults, custom camper top canvas enclosure for all-season boating, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi radio with 2 amplifiers, classic Sea Ray gauges, adjustable helm seat with thigh-rise bolsters, new hardwired and handheld VHF, and Raymarine radar and navigation. All the exterior fabrics are Sunbrella with new canvas in front of the arch and newly upgraded Macrolon Marine 5 glass above the windshield. Performance and onboard space, thanks to the wide beam of 11.5 feet, are the defining features of the Sea Ray 340 Sundancer. The spacious aft cockpit with built-in forward and aft-facing seating and a refreshment center with wet bar and cooler for dining and relaxing on those balmy summer evenings spent at anchor. Now, you will notice, aft from the big comfy cockpit, we have an extra large swim step with concealed stainless steel swim ladder, which is great for embarking, perhaps with heavy luggage, and also for accessing the water. She even has underwater lights. For an aft cabin, the guest suite is amazingly spacious, with high ceilings, a removable partition, and filler cushions for the immense bunk. We have finely crafted cabinets for storage, and we even have a small bookcase. The VIP forward cabin has been designed as a second suite, and the island bed features a privacy curtain with portholes for natural light. And, of course, there's plenty of storage beneath and hanging space. This vessel is equipped with central heat and air conditioning and a central vacuum system. You know what's unprecedented in an express cruiser of this size? It's the fact that opposite this classic L-shaped sofa, there is easy access to the head and galley. The salon also features boatloads of storage and cabinets and below the sofa. The well-appointed galley itself is equipped with a new low-draw refrigerator and hot water from an engine heat exchanger, shore power, or generator-powered calorifier. If you want some technical details, Helios has a low-hour, newly refurbished Westerbeek genset, new dripless shaft seals, newly repacked rudder seals, new manifolds, exhaust risers, spark plugs, and recently serviced heat exchangers on both engines. We started this video by saying the Sea Ray 340 Sundancer is all about space and performance. In fact, she's powered by twin, gas-powered 7.4-liter multi-port injection Mercruiser V-drives with only 540 hours for a top speed of 27 knots at 4,500 RPM. The well-spaced V-drive shafts controlled from the stylish Sea Ray helm offer great maneuverability and ease of maintenance. They are easy to use and make the boat a joy to drive. No thruster necessary. Moreover, with the huge panoramic windows, you have great visibility, not just forward, but all around the boat. So, that's Helios, the Sea Ray 340 Sundancer, offering the pure performance DNA of an express cruiser with the interior space, fine joinery, and comfort you'd never expect to find on a yacht of this vintage and size. For more information, call or text me, Nathaniel, at 619-313-3664, or visit www.aglyachtsales.com.